So, ready to play with the MicroConcrete?
Yes, now I am.
So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put some MicroConcrete.
Before that, as a woodworker, I'm used to sand all the surface before applying the product. Do I need to sand?
Yeah, you don't need to sand those kind of thing, but it's gonna help for sure. So if you're sanding, I recommend to sand everything is really glossy, like tiles or those kind of thing, or concrete, quartz and those kind of things. So it's gonna be easier if you sand it. It's gonna give you a mechanic adhesion. So when you're gonna apply it on top of that, it's gonna be easier. If you don't sand those glossy tile, when you apply it, it's gonna really be slippery. It's gonna be hard. You need to wait longer to make sure that the MicroConcrete gonna really do its adhesion on the surface. So yeah, it's a good thing to sand.
Do I sand after the surf prep or before the surf prep?
After the surf prep. Okay. You clean it first. After you do your sanding, if you need to do it, vacuum it, and after that, you're going with the MicroConcrete. Okay.
Yeah.
So on that, we don't need it. So we're gonna put the MicroConcrete over here.
Okay.
And
can I try?
Oh, for sure. So here's the tools.
Okay. So I just gently.
First, what we want to do, we just want to apply a little amount everywhere.
Okay. So I just.
Yeah.
Like that?
You know what I love when somebody starts for the first time? He always put too much.
Okay, so that's too much.
Yeah, because we're talking about MicroConcrete.
Yeah.
So
micro, tiny.
Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna put. You see, I'm gonna do a little pressure on that. Look at the amount that you apply too much. Okay. So this is what's too much. Okay, you see all the lines and everything?
Yeah.
That's not a problem. The first layer, you just want to apply base coat everywhere to create the adhesion on the substrate. And when we're gonna work on the second coat, then we're gonna work on texture and everything.
Okay.
But the first coat is just to make sure that everywhere it's covered with the MicroConcrete.
Okay, so the drag marks doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
Okay. As long as there's not too much.
The only thing that you want to make sure is not leaving a little big line over there, just like a trouble mark. You know, those kind of things.
Like a ridge.
Yeah, exactly. We don't want to leave that on the surface, but beside that, just make evenly everywhere, and don't worry about the lines.
Okay, so I just put everywhere. Like that?
Yeah.
And after that, I'm gonna remove the excess.
Exactly.
Okay.
So you can feel the pressure that you have to put on the trowel.
But it's easier than I expected.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, so just.
Perfect.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll let the expert do the finish.
Oh, well. You see, I'm just gonna make sure that we put the right quantity on the top. I don't like to have too much because anyway, the drying time is gonna be longer.
Yeah.
So I just wanna make sure that I apply everywhere.
Evenly
everywhere.
Okay.
And the beauty with that product is even if we do something bad, you just have to apply some.
Okay, so I can't mess it up.
Yeah. And that's it. It's not more complicated than that. So you will have your first coat already done, and what you need to do, it's wait 3 to 4 hours to let it dry, to make sure that everything is dry. And after that, we're gonna apply the second layer.
Okay, so if there's like excess material, how do I remove it?
Normally what I do, if something that we should apply a masking tape over there, then you can remove it. If you wanted to do the square, the front and everything, you gotta do it and leave that dry for a couple, let's say 10 minutes to make sure that it's gonna be harder. And after that, you take a taping knife like that.
Yeah.
And you're just gonna slide it everywhere to do a perfect line.
Okay, so it's gonna do a clean.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
cool.
when we do a real countertop, we're gonna do that.
Yeah. Okay. So we do the nose first.
Exactly.
We do the surface. After that, we leave a small amount of excess.
Yeah. You want to make sure that you're gonna excess a little bit.
Okay.
To make sure that when you're gonna cut it, it's gonna be a perfect line.
Okay, cool.
Okay, and that's it.
So that's it. So I just pour the stuff onto the countertop. I wipe it in evenly thin layers.
Yeah.
One layer.
We gotta apply 2 layers. It's about 1 to 2 millimeters, the thickness of the product. That's it.
So now for the first layer, that's all. We're gonna go clean the tools.
Oh yeah, for sure.
And we're gonna wait like 4 hours.
Yeah,
for
and after that, we're gonna do the other coat.
Nice.
Good. So we wait the 4 hours before applying the second coat. We clean our tool and everything, but before applying it on the top, if you touch it, you can feel little imperfection and everything. So before applying, because what I recommend is just go with a kind of trowel like that over the top. Just remove little asperity on the top. Just remove a little thing, and to make sure that everything gonna be smooth. If you don't do that, when we're gonna apply it, we're gonna it's just like the trowel gonna jump on the outer mark.
Okay, so it'll be difficult to do something.
Exactly. So it won't be smooth. So we want something smooth. If you prefer, you can take a sanding machine.
Okay.
Just sanding over it. It's not necessary, but if you want to do it, you can do that. Okay.
With coarse grit?
Yeah, normally working with like 60 or something like that.
Okay.
And that's it. Okay. But I prefer working with that. It's faster, easier. So no dust, little bit. And you go that way, you can see everything that we removed.
Yeah.
Okay. And after that, vacuum it, or here we have a little brush.
Okay.
So I'll just remove the dust over there, and we're gonna be ready to start.
So that's all we could start.
So now everything is clean, smooth, clean.
Yeah.
So we're ready to apply the second coat. And on the second layer, we're gonna play with it.
Okay.
So create some texture, play with the product, just to show a little bit what we can achieve with the product.
Okay, so now I'll be able to put all my creativity in it.
Yeah.
But that's a countertop. Should I put a lot of texture? Or?
Yeah, but we're gonna play with it, and after that we're gonna decide what we're gonna do with the countertop. Okay. So same thing at the first layer. We're gonna put some product over the countertop. And I'm gonna give you, first of all, when we create texture, we need to apply a coat everywhere.
Okay, as the first one.
Yeah, so I'm just applying everywhere a coat just to make sure that everything's gonna be really smooth, okay? What we're gonna do, we're only gonna do, let's say the middle over here. So we're gonna play with texture, and after that, we're gonna smooth the finish, because you're right about one thing, it's for a countertop, we need to have something really smoother than a lot of texture.
Okay.
To play with texture, normally what we do, we're gonna work with some tools. We can work with sponge. Okay, so if we go over our MicroConcrete with a sponge, that's gonna create some texture, so you can play. Try it a little bit. So you can play with it. Okay. The way we work with that, we do some texture.
Yeah.
We cannot leave it like that. It's gonna be really hard. It's too uneven, but we want to keep the look, the texture of the look. Okay, so what do? We do that, and after that we're gonna wait a couple of minutes just to make sure that the concrete is harder.
Okay.
And we're gonna take our trowel, clean it to make sure that everything is really smooth. Okay, and we're gonna just go over it, but with less pressure.
Okay, gently pass over it.
Look at that.
Okay, so
look at that.
Look at that.
So you can create a lot of beautiful texture with those kind of things. Okay. Other tools that we can manage to play with it. let's say that we have something more. We're gonna apply just something more over here to have texture. Okay, so just boom. Okay, really smooth.
Yeah.
Those kind of roller, okay, rubber roller, what we're gonna do with it, just go on it, like that.
Looks like wood.
Yeah. Oh, you're a woodworker, right?
Yes, I am.
So go that way, so you can go everywhere. You can go in an angle if you want to, and everything. Same thing. You wait a little bit to make sure that the concrete that is on suspension is gonna be a little bit harder.
Okay.
And after that, we're just gonna smooth it. So you're gonna keep all the texture, but it's gonna be really smooth.
Okay.
Okay?
What if I don't like the texture I've done?
You can manage to replay on it with the trowel.
Yeah.
So if we go back on it, so here we do a countertop.
Yeah.
So you won't keep that kind of texture. It's gonna be really hard to clean and everything. So we're gonna do it. So let's say we're gonna remove everything, put that back, and play with it. Just go back.
Okay, I just wanna...
And you can push a little bit more, make more pressure. Okay, you wanna see what the look like?
I wanna see, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And more you wait, more you're gonna keep the texture.
Okay.
Okay, if you wait 5 minutes more, it's gonna be harder, so we're gonna keep more texture on it. But there, we want to remove the texture. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna apply more pressure on it.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Look at that. Really smooth, and I love it when you still have some holes and everything. It looks like real concrete.
Could I like just bend
Yeah.
a bit more?
Yeah, if you want to change the angle of the trowel, you're gonna keep more texture. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, if you want something smooth, you better keep the angle.
Okay, the
really
flatter you go, the smoother the finish is gonna be.
Yeah,
if I
exactly.
go like almost straight.
You can try it if you want to. You see?
Okay, yeah.
Because when you go that way, it's just like you're going with the hardness of the trowel, and you're gonna take the sand and everything, and you're gonna bring that up.
Yeah, so it's like
Okay.
a bit porous.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And if you wait more than that, it's starting to become really hard, and you do with those kind of angle, you're gonna create a lot of mark. It could be really full, just like we did.
As we
just
can
like
see
we
on
did.
the wall.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
That's when we did it. So the way we did that, okay?
But for now, I want it smooth.
Yeah,
Because
so
it's a countertop.
we're gonna smooth the finish, and after that we're gonna need to do the last step. So
Okay.
because don't forget that we need to protect the MicroConcrete.
Yeah.
It's become really hard. It's 20 MPa, so it's gonna be a real concrete.
Okay.
But it's gonna be really not really good for every liquids and everything. So you need to apply a sealer to give the water repellent resistant over the
Okay.
top. Okay.
How much time do I need to wait before doing the?
We need
sealer?
to wait at least 12 hours before applying the sealer on the
sealer,
top.
okay.
Okay, so next day it's perfect. Okay.
So after smoothing it, we're done for today.
Yeah, we're done for today.
Okay.
So just to remember everything, because we said a lot of things over there.
Yeah.
Just to make sure that we know exactly the time, everything, every step and everything.
Mm-hmm.
I suggest to go to the website. So Finitech website. You go to the MicroConcrete section. You're gonna have all the guideline, technical sheet. They have realization video over there. So everything is there.
Okay, so if I'm lost, I go to the website, Finitech website.
Yeah.
Okay, and I just have all the support.
Yeah, everything
Okay.
is there.
Okay.
Okay. So see you tomorrow for the sealer.
Yeah, for sure.
Perfect.